Hello and welcome. Today we are going to draw the Mitsubishi logo. Okay, so for that I'm going to take a scale and we have to draw an equilateral triangle first. So I'm going to mark I'm going to draw a line and divide it into three parts. Here I have measured it in inches. Okay, and since it's an equilateral triangle, I'm using a set square to draw a line that is 60 degrees. It should be 60 degrees on both the sides. Okay. Right. And again we have to divide it into three parts. 1 and 2 and here too. Okay, so that is done. Since the logo is red in color, I'm going to use a red pen to draw lines. So the first line will go like this. Okay, the second line is going to be this way, and the third line is this. Right, now we got to just draw the remaining lines like this. Like this, and this. Okay, now I'm going to use the same pen to color it. It is red in color, so I'm going to use the same pen to I don't have a chisel tip pen that's red in color. Otherwise it is better using a chisel tip because you can cover more area using a chisel tip pen. This is going to take more time. I think this was fairly easy. Just draw an equilateral triangle and divide the sides into three parts and draw lines as I have shown you, and just fill it with color. That's it. Right, so the logo is done. Now we have to erase the pencil marks. Okay, so that is done. So we've come to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care. Thank you.